What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another live session today. I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, let's get straight into it. I mean, the markets, it's actually a very big day today. And I first want to go over what exactly today is. And today is the non-farm employment change, so it's NFP. So it's basically the change of number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry. And you can see what it actually gives you everything that you need to know, right? You don't really need to research anything that is on this page. Basically, what you need to know, if this number that comes out today at 4:30 p.m. Dubai time is greater than the forecast, right, then it's going to be bullish for the dollar, which means it'll be bearish for crypto. So today is one of the most important days in terms of trading, and a lot of people need to actually focus on a day like this and maybe not even trade the whole day, because what happens today is we get a large number of people buying and selling, trying to catch the moves, but at the end of the day, everyone just loses money because there's so much volatility in the market and there's so much volume, and we see massive wicks to upside, massive wicks to downside. So that's basically what's happening today. I mean, it's going to be a massive day. I've got a lot of stuff that I want to show you guys today. So make sure you guys do stay until the end. It is going to be a short session today. It will be quite a short session, but I want to show you guys something really important, and it's something that you guys need to understand. So basically, when you're looking at this chart for Bitcoin, what does it show you, right? It shows you that BTC was holding this trend line the whole day yesterday. We broke below. We spoke about this yesterday in the live stream as well, right? We spoke about Bitcoin coming back down to 70K and seeing a reaction of that level, right? And you can see right now, Bitcoin is trading back above 71K on the 4-hour time frame. Okay. So what does that mean? What does that mean? You have to ask yourself these questions, right? What does that mean? Well, Bitcoin is back above the previous high, right? Back above this previous level over here, this previous high right here. Okay, obviously this high is a little bit invalidated, but basically the problem is right now it's still respecting this trend line, right? So even if you look at the 1-hour time frame, this was holding. We broke below, came up, looking like we're breaking back down here. Potential retest of this low. So for today, guys, what we have to look at is something quite simple. It's just this. We're going to take this away. This is invalid now. Basically, what we have to look for is a potential break of this pattern over here. Okay, so we're forming a little bit of a bull flag pattern here. So basically, what I'll be looking at is a potential long on the break of this pattern, or we look for price to come down to this level here, which is the mid range, right? Because if we take the volume profile from the beginning of this pump to the end over here, we can see that this is going to be the most favorite area where the volume has been traded, right? So a lot of people are taking long positions at that zone. So I'll be looking at a potential setup, potentially at that level for today. Okay, but yeah, I've got so many different charts to go over. I think Bitcoin's kind of a bit boring at the minute. Obviously, it's still looking really bullish. Yesterday, the daily candle, if we have a look at the daily candle, we still closed relatively well. We closed relatively above the previous level here. I mean, it's looking like we might test these highs there, potentially, right? We could potentially see these test these highs within today. So it's going to be a very exciting day. Obviously, we do have to bear in mind that we do have this within today. So just be careful when you are trading. Rather just go lower leverage, reduce your size of the trade or whatever if you are looking to trade today. But anything can happen before then, and that is why we are going live now to see if we can maybe catch a setup before then. Yeah. So that's that for Bitcoin. That is that for Bitcoin. Very simple analysis. We just have to wait for that. Okay, so the first coin we spoke about it yesterday, right? And it's OP. We took that long yesterday on a 5x leverage, and I want to speak about why I'm so bullish on OP. So this was the setup. I mean, it's still valid if you guys haven't entered. We pretty much just above our entry point. So if you enter now, it won't be too bad. But essentially, OP, guys, OP is bouncing from this weekly support and this daily support. So I'm expecting price to come back up to these highs within the next couple of weeks. So this trade is going to be quite a long-term trade if you guys are willing to hold. So the entry, it may vary, right? So like you could enter now, or maybe today we get a little bit of retracement and you get a better entry, right? But because we're entering off the daily time frame, to be honest with you, it doesn't really matter where you enter. Just look at your leverage. I'm using a 5x leverage, and the reason why I'm so bullish on this chart is because have a look at this. This is your OP to Ethereum chart, right? So basically, OP to Ethereum. What does this mean? So when OP does this, right? This means that Ethereum is getting strength, right? But when OP does this, that means that OP does this, then we know that OP is getting strength, right? So right now, OP to ETH is at support. I'm expecting price to just move up, back up to these highs within the next couple of weeks, which is why we did take a long for OP. And it's not only just based on this. We know that OP is at a major level of support, at a major level. So there is a potential that OP can go higher here, which is why we are long on OP. Okay, so that's interesting. And before I get into all of this stuff, I want to show you guys something that if you guys, we're doing a prop. I know CoinW. If you guys are trading on CoinW, if you're not, it's a really good platform. You can use my link over here in my Twitter. So basically, there's a free trial, basically on prop trading. So if you click on this link, it will take you to the prop trading account, and you can get a 25K account for free, right? You can see it's valid for all users. It's valid until the 30th of June. So you get a free 25K account. So make sure you guys click on this link over here. It's in my Twitter recent post. What I'll do is let me actually pin this. We'll pin this. Okay. So we'll put it to the top of my profile so you guys can just see it's at the top of here. And make sure you guys check this out. I do think that, I mean, a lot of you guys, a lot of people don't have access to that much capital. And if you do this before the 30th of June, you'll be able to get around about 25K in trading capital. You know how prop firms work. So that is something to look at. So I'll show you how to do it quickly. So you basically just click on that link. So you go to Twitter, right? You click on the link, and then it will take you to this page. And then what you have to do is you obviously have to create a CoinW account, and then you click on free trial over here. I can't use a free trial today because I've already got it. But essentially, if you come down over here, you have to click on this, and then it'll take you to the free trial page, and then you just have to click OK, and then you get a trade with that amount. So you can see that this is what it looks like. There's a couple challenges you have to go through, but yeah, I am in a couple of positions on this account. So basically, it's a really good way to earn money. If you earn 10% a month, that's 2.5K a month on that account. Okay, so it's literally like there's no point of you not doing it, because it's basically like giving you free money in a way. If you pass it, obviously it helps. But yeah, just let you know that's over there. Make sure you guys check it out. Anyway, let's get straight back into the charts. Obviously, we're looking at OP here. Like I said, it's something that I'm going to be holding for a long period of time. CHZ, we actually got stopped out yesterday. It was looking really good. To be honest with you, it was holding the support, and then unfortunately we actually lost this level, and now we're holding this previous resistance. So if you look at CHZ on the daily time frame, so that was a setup from yesterday. It was looking really good. It's just one of those trades that don't play out. The daily candle. Let's have a look on the daily. So the daily candle did close bearish, but it closed respecting this high. So there's a possibility that the probability of price bouncing from the zone could be is quite likely. You can see that it does add to the 0.5 fib level, so we could potentially see a bounce from the zone. I should be sharing this chat. Yeah, so for CHZ, what I'm looking at is a potential bounce trade from this level today. It's going to be one of those trades that we're going to have to take later in the day to see how price action forms. But you can see that price is still holding this level quite well. The 1 hour time frame, we didn't really close with anything significant there. We are starting to form some type of resistance above this level here. So right over here, we have a little bit of resistance over there, and you would call this level your support. So currently, it's currently in a range for now. It's currently just trading in a range. We can't do much. Once price closes above the range over here, we can look for longs back up to these highs, which is what we were looking at yesterday. So yeah, make sure you guys stay until the end. We're not gonna stream for that long today. It's Friday. I don't think that there's much happening. Well, I might actually go live a little bit later as well. The main reason why I want to go live is because of this data. I think it's gonna be crazy, guys. Like, I think it's gonna be insane. There's gonna be so much volume within the market. So we'll see what happens. But essentially, this is gonna be one of the biggest days that there is, right? And the reason why I say that is non-farm payrolls is one of the biggest days of the month, and it only happens once a month, right? So technically, this is something that we have to watch out for. I know, like, from trading previous non-farm payrolls, I don't normally trade on that day because of how volatile it is. And we also see, like, it's very volatile leading up to non-farm payrolls as well. So, like, what we see is normally we normally see price come down first, or price go up, and then we see liquidate. So basically, this is, let's just say non-farm payrolls are coming out right now, right? What we typically see is, depending on the data, we'll see price boom, 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 down, then massive up, then down, consolidate, or we see the opposite, right? So it literally moves like how big I'm drawing it, right? Price goes up, comes straight back down, comes up, consolidates, and then maybe moves up or down. Okay, so it honestly depends on what the data, like what comes out. Obviously, if it's greater than 182,000, then yeah, we'll probably look for some setups. But we'll see. Okay, so CHZ waiting for this. Yeah, I want to quickly see what's happening with crypto bubbles. You can see over here on the daily time frame, Brett's still up 20%, W's up, INJ, Tau, SUI, Bitcoin Cash, couple coin up. CHC is actually down 2%. It's quite interesting. I really on that trade, yes, I honestly thought it would play out. CHC, Audi's up 8%. I really was looking at Audi as well yesterday. If you guys did join the channel yesterday, we're looking at it long, but we didn't actually end up taking it. But we'll go through it now. Audi, here we go. Okay. Yeah, so basically, Audi, for me, what I was waiting for is price to come down. So basically, I was waiting for price to come back down to the zone at 51.83, but we just didn't really get that, right? This would have been a really good trade, 21% from the lows, which is absolutely crazy. Yeah, I mean, it's most probably just going to go straight up to the zones there. I mean, it's looking really, really bullish. The only reason why what I would think is a bit of a retracement is if we take the volume profile from this low to here, and it doesn't even conclude with the mid-range, right? So it's most probably just going to carry on going to the upside for today. So we'll have to wait and see for that. But overall, market still looking quite bullish. Still looking quite bullish, if I'm honest, Jam. Okay. But yeah, we're gonna wait for some setups there. I'm gonna play some music in the background, and then I'll be looking for some trades while we wait. But if you guys do have any setups that you want me to go over, just let me know, and we'll definitely go over them.
醒来，没有不准，哪有风想将我迎来？四面浮云，我就不及心快，要从废墟一起赶到了个天台。黄金爆量，谈什么计划？老天生意不如我弹的琵琶。不做空悬，我是神作陛下，心作江波来比比那个李白。脆弱的受不了旁人觊觎，我就是款款的不可理喻。不变的转世，变得清醒明白，大狗怎么可能去摆烂比喻？老师傅阶级光芒是个手指，欺负颜色，换成超过老子啊！你的生命过于潦草，就不缭绕呀。他是真的口吃，身在千山顶上游，突然神火渺向周，不见楼下吹牛，远处飞来了一股孤鸟，它在告诉我今晚睡不掉。攀在山上雷龙呼啸，你们耍的路太无聊。往上攀有色子避讳，无法再积累。我在你坚持中游泳，梦百进转失败的梦，激我手中这些老子真的没空。Life a pickle zone， 我在你坚持中游泳，梦百进转失败的梦，激我手中这些老子真的没空。世界被一谎言，依旧还在最高点，任凭他们吞宝遍，留不下的沼泽园，那就跟谁不下线略，天命让我三生有幸，下来一场梦。我们的土地是慢慢下不飞，我是善良的挡住你们的路。说。世界路上一谎言，依旧还在最高点，任凭他们吞宝遍，留不下的沼泽园。那就感谢菩萨显灵，天命让我三生有幸，幸福过那高点远点，要往上走一直前行。改过落这片土地，让你不羁用我们的无影，太多味儿放着不羁，我们的土地水面漫下不悲，我是山上的醒来，没有不准，哪有风想将我迎来？四面浮云，我就不及心快，要从废墟一起赶到了个天台。黄金爆量，谈什么计划？老天生意不如我弹的琵琶。不做空悬，我是神作陛下，心作江波来比比那个李白。脆弱的受不了旁人觊觎，我就是款款的不可理喻。不变的转世，变得清醒明白，大狗怎么可能去摆烂比 悦。老师傅坚持光芒是个手指，欺负颜色，幻想超过老子啊！你的生命过于潦草，就不缭绕呀，机会不卡死真理口齿。身在千山顶上，突然神火渺向右。远处飞来了一股姑鸟，它在告诉我今晚睡不掉。攀在山上雷龙呼啸，你们少年后太无聊。往上爬有手指比挥，无法再积累。单调自不予理会，不然你以为我这不是一抓一的吧？被抓的是下巴呀，别被我吓怕耶！他们是复数拼在平台里，就乖乖待在阴暗里，要抓点到日做的变成个解药。再不回头，常见的就做不活的飞蛾 ，That's way。Life of Pico Zone， 我在你坚持中游泳。梦，半进转失败的梦，希望手中即使老子真的没空。Life of Pico Zone， 我在你坚持中游泳。梦，半进转失败的梦，希望手中即使老子真的没空。世界对于谎言，依旧还在最高点，任凭他们能暴变，留不下的早走远。那就可惜不杀限掠，天命让我闪身又显现。改过，这片土地让你负起，用我们的回忆。太多味儿放在哭泣，我们的土地却没埋下伏笔。我是想要礼物，挡住你们的
爱情。
世界正在以谎言，依旧还在最高点，任凭他们能暴变，留不下的早走远。那就感谢不杀限掠，天命让我闪闪又显现。幸福过了高点远点，要往上走一直前行。改过，这片土地让你负起，用我们的回忆。太多味儿放着哭泣，我们的土地却没埋下伏笔。我是想要礼物，挡住你们的
Yo. Sorry, I just had to quickly run and get something. I'm back. Yeah, so if you guys did just join, welcome. If you guys are new here, this is my channel where we go live every single day at this time. So make sure you guys do obviously join for it. We do take trades daily as well. And before I get into it, again, I'm not going to be streaming for that long today, but I want to show you guys something special that I have for you guys, and it's this right over here. So basically, CoinW is doing a prop trading account. We're giving away some free accounts. So if you guys use this link, you can get a 25k account. You can get a 25k account if you use this link. So make sure you guys use this link. You get 25k, and you can see I am actually trading on this account right now. Yeah, so it's a CoinW prop trading. You just come and click that link. You click free trial, it'll take you to a page, and you can get a 25k account. And you can see the 25k normally cost $200, but if you use my link, we'll be giving you $200 basically for free. Yeah, so make sure you guys use my link. Morning, Bruno. Morning. Yeah, Bruno, make sure you guys get involved in this account. Just use that link in my Twitter. My Twitter is CryptoMonk or Dylan Maynard 123, and basically if you use this link, you'll be able to get a free 25k account. Okay, so how does it work? I can't explain how does it work. So basically, there's two challenges. So the first challenge is you have to get 8% on the account. So you have to get 8%. There's no time limit, so you can take however long you want. Once you reach 8%, you go on to the next challenge, which is 5%, right? But if you hit minus 5% on the account within one day, the account will be taken from you. But if you keep it below 5% on the day, it's fine. The maximum leverage is 5. The minimum trading days is 5. So basically, what I'm doing for this account is just going to be swing trading, and I'll give you a signal right now for the setup. But essentially, yeah, it's relatively easy to understand. You keep up to 80%. If you refer someone, you'll get up to 90% profit share. So yeah, this is the free trial, 25K. First phase, 8%, no time limit, can take you however long you want. It doesn't have to be within 1 month, which is what a lot of Forex firms actually do. So we are giving away a 225K account. So make sure you guys use my link. And once you pass both phases, then you'll be able to actually get the account, and then you can withdraw the profits as you need. Okay. Yeah, I mean it's free money. Might as well just use it, right? There's no point of you not using it. Even if you don't really know how to trade, you can kind of just watch me every day, and we can trade together. We'll be giving some setups for these pop accounts as well. So yeah, Bruno, just click. I'll send you the link, so you can check it out. I mean, it's yeah. I'll send you the link here. There we go. Yeah, so all you need to do is just need to sign up to CoinW. Make sure you put KYC. You have to use KYC in order to get access to this. But it's very, very simple. Just register account. Use my link. Make sure you use the link. Otherwise, it won't be free. And yeah, I mean, we can trade together, right? I mean, it's 25K account. If you make 10% a month, it's 2.5K a month. You can kind of do the math. It's quite a nice way to earn cash. Okay. But that's enough about that. Let's get back into the charts. Bitcoin, we spoke about Bitcoin coming back down to 70,100 yesterday. We had a beautiful reaction there. It's starting to form a bull flag right now, which is technically a bullish flag pattern. The target of this bull flag is 72,800. This could play out within today, but remember, today is the most important day of the month. You can see that it is non-farm payrolls. So yeah, I mean, it's really, really important. So we do need to watch out for that. So just be careful if you're trading within that time frame. Obviously, right now you can trade until 4:30, which is why we've opened up a couple trades. I'll show you what I'm trading right now. So I took a AVAX long. I took a couple XRP long, and I'm actually in that OP long. We entered in yesterday, right? So I opened a lot of positions at OP. I'm really, really bullish on OP. To be honest with you, I do think that OP is going to moon really, really shortly here. Yeah, so this is on the prop trading account. We will be trading this live with you guys every week, every day actually. We're going to try to pass it together. I think that's the main plan. I'm using a 5x, and I also took a long on Solana, and I'll run through why I took a long on Solana in just a second. But these are the positions that I'm currently in. We'll see how it plays out today. Overall markets for me is still looking bullish. Yeah, so we'll get into the setups. Okay, so Bitcoin, like I said, Bitcoin still holding, still looking bullish. The 4-hour candle still closed bullish, but respecting the previous high. But relatively nice 4-hour candle closure, right? It's nothing special, but it's not a bad 4-hour closure. The 30-minute candle, everything's holding this level here at 70,800, which is your previous point of control. Basically, it means where the most volume has been traded. This is going to be pretty much your reaction zone for the day. So yeah, I would be looking at a potential setup if the price comes back down to here. I would look for a long. But if we break above here, we can look for a long as well. The thing is with trading Bitcoin on this account, on the prop account, I don't think it's worth it because Bitcoin does move relatively slowly. So I think trading altcoins is definitely the move. And I want to show you guys the setup for OP. We spoke about it yesterday multiple times, but I do think that this is going to be one of this trade could probably pass your account on the funded accounts if you take a couple of setups. So essentially, guys, I'm looking to target these highs, these pretty much weekly highs over here. I do think that we're going to see a massive bounce here, and the reason why I'm thinking we're going to see a massive bounce is because of the OP to ETH chart, right? So remember, we went through this yesterday. This shows you the correlation between Ethereum and OP, and whenever this goes up, OP has a massive run and Ethereum kind of just consolidates, right? Whenever this goes down, Ethereum's outperforming OP, and right now this is at such a strong support level. So I do think that OP is really about to fly here, guys. I do think that for sure we're going to see a massive move for OP within the next couple of days or weeks, right? This is going to be a long trade, which is why we took it on the funded account. So if you guys want to join me, make sure you guys, if you want to trade on a funded account, remember to have a look at my pinned tweet on Twitter. Click on this link. It will take you to this page, right? It will take you to this page, and you can click on free trial. And then basically you'll be getting a 25K account. You obviously have to register an account for CoinW, but you don't have to deposit anything. You don't have to deposit anything. It's basically just a free account, a 25K account. You have to go through challenges, and we're going to be trading it together. Okay. So that is the plan for the next couple of days / weeks. We are going to be trading this stuff together, guys. Let's talk about some other setups I'm looking at today. Yeah, that CHZ setup, if you guys did join the stream yesterday, we did actually get stopped out on that trade. We did actually get stopped out over here. I was expecting price to bounce from this zone. We had a reaction, and then price closed straight back down over here. Currently trading within a smaller range now. So yeah, personally, if you look at this on like the daily time frame, sorry, there's quite a lot of lines here, but the lines they do mean basically reaction zones. We are still respecting this reaction zone over here, which is why I do think that OP technically is still bullish on the higher time frames. So even the 4-hour time frame still holding. We do need to see a 1-hour candle closure above this level here, where I'll be looking at a long back up to the highs. Okay, I do think that this was a deviation, but we'll see if this can play out today. Okay, so I'll be looking at the setups today for sure. But yeah, I'm going to end the stream very shortly. The only setup today really I have is the OP setup. I don't want to be getting involved in today too much because of this event, NFP. Personally, I don't like trading NFP. It's just really volatile, and I do think that people lose money on today than win money, right? There's obviously you're gonna get those days where you can kind of just go long and then it's just pumps really hard, or go short and dumps really hard. But I mean, it's not worth risking trading that today. The only setup really I have today is going to be OP. And then Bruno, if we go back to auction yesterday, I hope you did take some profits at this high over here. But yeah, because it came straight back down. It was actually quite interesting. It hit that level and then literally got rejected straight away. But if you look at auction, this is technically still really strong. It's a really strong resistance zone over here. It's a nice retest, potential upside for auction still. Okay, so yeah, I'm glad you closed it. I am looking at a potential setup here though, to be honest with you, for auction. It's currently at the bottom of the range. If we can maybe come back down and retest this level today, I'll be looking to long back up to these highs, because technically it is starting to form some market structure to the upside. But it's not the best looking setup, so I'm gonna have to wait to see like how the next 4-hour candle closes. But yeah, I'm gonna end this stream here. I do appreciate everyone joining today. Remember to do this. This is the main reason why I wanted to go live today, to give you guys this opportunity to have more capital. So make sure you guys do click on the link in my Twitter. I can see a lot of you guys are watching on Twitter over here, so make sure you guys do actually click on my pinned tweet. Click on this link. It will take you to this page over here. You click on free trial at the top, make an account, KYC, and then you're in. Okay. But yeah, I appreciate it. Have a good day, guys. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow and Sunday. I might not stream on Sunday, but the whole week, next week, I will be streaming. So I do appreciate it. Bye-bye.